Hello, make evening tea with me, Afro Carol Kitchen. If you are new here, if you are my turning subscriber, you are most welcome. I don't take you for granted. I appreciate your effort that you put to like, to share, and to comment about my video. So today, because I have a guest this evening, I'm making for them some sausages, some eggs and green onion, and also I'm making some tea. This is tea, just I'm going to boil the milk and put tea inside. So I'm going to fry my egg sausages right here. As you can see, so my milk is already boiling. Hear the noise in the background, that is there. I'm using this tea bag to put, I want it to cook with it, but you can also use it like this. So I prefer to put it here so that it boils, so that my tea comes very nice. Because if I put it through the cup, you don't enjoy the tea, then like leave it to boil naturally. You want to feel all the taste, the aroma, the flavor of the tea leaves in the tea. That's why it is called tea leaves, guys. So let me do this. Yes, everything is ready, guys. So I'm making the eggs. My sausages are cooked. You can see that. I have set up here. I'm taking it to the sitting place. I have some bread. My plates are ready. Some orange juice, and the tea is here. Here I have two types of sugar. I have crystal sugar. This is for honey. And I have just our normal sugar. In case you don't like taking sugar, you can take this crystal honey sugar. It's so good for people with health issues, for people who don't like sugar. It's good. So here is my eggs. Let me whisk it. I like mixing my eggs with green onion. Let me bring you closer. See? The green onion helps the smell of the eggs for those who don't like that smell of the eggs. Down. The best way to clean it, if you don't want that smell of eggs to continue, you sprinkle some salt and then you wipe it. It takes away all the smell. Look at my eggs. It looks so yummy. It's almost done. I like my eggs well cooked. That's how I enjoy my eggs. Here we are done. The gas is off. And serve it here in this small hot pot. Don't want to serve them when it is cold. Then I serve the sausages right here. Here. Like that mash. Let's switch to that one. This is enough. So guys, here is my finishing work. As you guys can see, here I am with my evening tea for the guest. As you people can see, thank you for watching, for liking, subscribing. Thank you so much. I don't take you for granted. I appreciate you guys so much. See you the other side as we are eating.